Let's talk about these torque adapters from Harbor Freight. I used them in my last video debunking the myth of extensions and torque wrenches, and while they worked perfectly for that demonstration, it's not exactly their intended purpose. Quinn makes a few different versions of these adapters. The first we have here is the 3/8 drive adapter that has a 5.9 to 59 foot-pound range and is plus or minus 2% accurate in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions. Power it on using the power button, then you can set the desired torque with the plus and minus buttons. The PT button changes from P-top to trace, and we'll talk about those in a second. The memory button lets you recall the last 50 torque measurements. Next we have the half-inch version that has a 25 to 250 foot-pound range with again plus or minus 2% accuracy in both directions. This particular model is a few years old and came with the half to 3/8 and half to 1/4 drive adapter. I'm not sure if they still do that or not. The 3/8 had no adapter. Quinn also makes a 3/4 drive version. It has a 150 to 750 foot-pound range with again plus or minus 2% accuracy in both directions. Each adapter has a power button, a plus and minus, a memory, and a PT button. In order to change the unit of measure, press and release the memory button and the PT button at the same time. The PT button changes mode from P-top to trace modes. Each will allow you to set a peak torque limit to alert you when you're at your desired value. P-top will show you the highest number reached after you've reached your torque, and trace will go back down to 0. So let's get this adapter set up and I'll show you how to use it. First, place your socket on the adapter. Power up the unit and it will display P-top or trace. Using P-top first, I'll reduce the torque setting down to 75 foot-pounds. If you hold the buttons down, it will rapidly cycle through all the numbers. Changing modes from trace to P-top will still keep your desired torque setting. The memory button will display the last 50 torque readings and isn't exactly useful for daily operation, so I'm going to ignore that part of it. It's a nice feature, but not all that useful. Place the socket with adapter onto your fastener and then put your ratchet on the end of it. I'm going to go a bit lower here down to 70 foot-pounds. Once you start torquing, you'll see the indicator starting to rise with a green flashing LED. Within 20% of the value you want, you'll start to hear some beeps and the LED that flashes green normally will now flash red, letting you know that you're close. Once you have reached your value, the LED will stay steady red and the beep will stay steady as well. In the trace mode, you can see here that the value goes back down to 0 after torquing. I'll switch modes here to P-top and torque it again. Once the beep and the LED remain steady, we have reached the indicated torque. The adapter displays the maximum value so you know how much force you've just applied. I overdid it on this one just so you could see. So when would you need one of these? Well, one popular opinion is to get around the use of an extension on a torque wrench. But as debunked in my last video, this doesn't matter. A major benefit to this style of torque adapter is space. If you have a tool bag you take with you, a big torque wrench can take up too much real estate, and sometimes it won't even fit in the bag. With these, you just toss them in. The biggest advantage, in my opinion, is price. If you don't want to spend the money for a dedicated torque wrench and you already have a ratchet or breaker bar big enough, these are a great money-saving option. With a typical half-inch torque wrench averaging well over $100, this adapter will save you over half in most situations. Each adapter is portable, affordable, and accurate. You should always follow manufacturer torque specs, and this is a great way to achieve that. If you've ever used these adapters, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of them. Make sure you like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you tool reviews. As always, thanks for watching.